Today in this video, I'm going to show you 5 legit ways to make money online in 2019. We're starting right now. What's up guys, my name is John, and if you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing and making money from home, well, you definitely found the right channel. So make sure you subscribe by clicking on that little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen, and go ahead and click that little bell notification so that you're notified every time I release a Make Money Online video. So in this video today, I'm actually going to show you 5 legitimate ways that you can make money online in 2019. So let's get right into it. One of the first ways that you can make some serious bank online is becoming a freelancer. So if you're good at graphic designs, or maybe you're a content writer, or maybe you're even good at video editing, these are highly sought after skills that millions of people are online looking for individuals to help them out with every single day. So a couple different places, if you do freelance, that you can actually start promoting yourself if you have these different skill sets, are places like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com or even Conquer.com. The number 2 way to make a lot of legitimate money online is doing affiliate marketing. And of course, this is near and dear to my heart because this is what I do online. So you can actually promote anything as an affiliate. There's major companies that have affiliate programs now, like Amazon, like Best Buy, like Target, if you want to sell physical products. But you also have ClickBank, in which you can actually sign up for free and sell digital products, and you can basically make a commission from any of these products, and you basically just get paid. You don't have to do any of the product creation. You don't have to do any of the product fulfillment. You basically just take the product and you find interested buyers and you connect the two, and you can make commissions. Number 3 is building a brand, or becoming an influencer, so to speak. So if you have a passion about something and you built a following up in your social media accounts, whether it's like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and you have a following, you can actually make a significant amount of money. What big companies are doing now is they're actually taking their advertising dollars and they're actually investing in these people that already have followings that would correlate with the products and the services that they actually sell. So instead of running ads on TV or putting advertising in the newspaper or something like that, they go to these people that already have these massive followers and massive influence, and they pay them to actually promote or advertise their product or service. And that's a great way that you can actually start monetizing your brand if you already have one. One of the places that you can actually find brand deals online once you've built up a following is a website called FameBit. And those are people that actually are influencers, and they can actually post a profile within this website, and advertisers can actually go on the website and find individuals that would match up with their products and services, and then you can actually work out a sponsorship deal for their particular product or service. So if you do have a following, you may want to check out famebit.com. Number 4 is product creation. So if you have an expertise in a particular subject matter or a niche, you can actually develop a online course, and you can actually put that course online and you can sell it to the masses. So it doesn't really matter what that particular subject is. It could be, teaching somebody how to play the piano, or teaching somebody how to cook healthy recipes, teaching somebody how to lose weight, or do affiliate marketing, or how to get traffic to the website. These things are things that people want to learn. So if you have a product that you can teach people to do this kind of stuff, you can actually start making a lot of money just by selling your product online. Now, a good place to start if you want to put an online course up is this website called Udemy.com. This is a website in which you can actually put your course online and you can actually sell it, because this particular website actually gets a lot of traffic, and people go to this website all the time to learn about different subject matters that they want to learn about. And you can buy it straight from this platform and people can access it, and it's a great way to start generating income with your own product. And number 5 is sell your stuff. Like a lot of people don't think that this is a viable way of making money. Now, back in the day, if you wanted to sell your stuff, it was a lot harder because you had to have like a garage sale, you had to put an ad in the newspaper, you had to put out flyers. It was just kind of taxing. Now it's super duper easy to sell your stuff. I always talk about using this website called OfferUp.com, and basically all you need to do is you just take some pictures of stuff that you don't want around your house, you post it on this website, and then you'll actually get people in your local area that want to buy the stuff that you're selling. They would basically just message you within the website. You guys agree on a price and a time and a place to meet, and then you just make that transaction. I have been selling on this site for the past year, and I'm continuing to sell my stuff on this website. It's super easy, and I've probably made thousands of dollars just from OfferUp.com. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you did, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how I actually make money online, I'll actually have a link in the description of this video so that you can actually get started for free learning how to actually create an online income with a computer and a laptop. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.